Now you will see how to compare source code objects in different systems in ABAP development tools. You may want to use this feature to see what has changed in the source code between different systems or even across various releases. To run source code comparison, use context menu Compare With and choose the target system. Compare editor starts and will display the current source on the left source page and the target source on the right source page. And you can use these arrow buttons to navigate between the differences. If there are no differences or the source is not available in the target system, you will get the corresponding message. You can also view the history of version management. Just use context menu, Compare With, Revision History. And in the history view, you can see all the relevant information about the history of version management. For example, you see all active and inactive revisions with their numbers, the date of the change, who has made the change, transport request number, description. Double-click on the revision to compare the revision with the latest one, or alternatively use context menu Compare with the latest. You can also select two versions and use the context menu Compare with each other in order to find differences between them. This will also start the Compare editor. And periodically use the refresh button in the history view to refresh the version list.